Hello and welcome to the Darren Smith Photography tutorials. This video is all about the focal length of a lens. One of the most significant properties of any lens is its focal length. In simple terms, it represents how zoomed in you are with your camera. But to be precise, it is the measurement of where the light converges inside the lens barrel to form a sharp image on your sensor. So it is a distance and measured in millimeters. Each lens you use will show its focal length on its barrel, such as this example of an 18 to 55mm kit lens. This focal length suggests it's very useful for everyday photography. As the focal length increases, the physical length of the lens typically increases too. The focal length is key to the angle of view obtained. The longer the focal length, the narrower the angle of view, and the more magnified the image is. As the focal length increases, the amount of the subject that is in focus decreases. This is known as depth of field. This makes taking a sharp image a little more difficult, but it does allow the background to become progressively more out of focus, enhancing the subject in the photograph. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please feel free to check out more at darrensmith.org.uk or on YouTube, Twitter or Facebook. Thank you for watching.